We have breaking updates now coming in of a major Naxal plot that has been busted. 30 kgs of IED have been recovered from the highway. It was planted on State Highway 63. The CRPF Jawans have defused it, also destroying the details. A major Naxal plot has been foiled by the CRPF Jawans. A large Naxal IED planted near the concrete road on State Highway 63 has been recovered with Naxals having planted a 30 kg massive IED on State Highway. The alert CRPF Jawans removed it from the road and destroyed it by blasting the IED planted by the Naxals on the main route in fact, it also led to some panic among the commuters. This is the operation of the CRPF and the STF in Bijapur, where Naxals are said to have planted the IED. So this is the incident that has been reported, and the visuals from the spot also show the blast. Now you can imagine the kind of impact of the blast that could have taken place. 30 kg IED that had been planted, but it was foiled by the alert CRPF Jawans. So what had been planted was the IED of 30 kgs. It could have led to a very unfortunate major incident. It was on the state highway, and it could have led to a massive tragedy. But the alert CRPF officials tracing it, and also the blast taking place away from the state highway, away from any of the vehicle movement. This also led to some panic. There were many commuters on the road at the time of this unfortunate incident. Quick break now. We'll be right back.